I'm really thrilled on this day. This is the decennial year of TiE Hyderabad. We started TiE Hyderabad exactly 10 years back. And having a grand finale like Test Summit coming to Hyderabad on the decennial year, I think God has made Ashok Rao and others to make it happen without knowing that this is a decennial year of TiE Hyderabad. Thank you, Ashok, for bringing the world's, Asia's largest entrepreneurial summit to Hyderabad and TiE Hyderabad decennial year. In the last 10 years, when we started 10 years back, absolutely there was no ecosystem for entrepreneurs in Hyderabad. There were no mentoring activities, there were no networking sessions for budding entrepreneurs, there were no angel investors around, not even venture capitalists around, and no incubators in Hyderabad. TiE Hyderabad was able to, one by one, in the last 10 years, we were able to achieve all these things. When we started 10 years back, sir, we just had 15 charter members with TiE Hyderabad. And today, the world's second largest charter members TiE Hyderabad has got. In this last 10 years, we were able to achieve all this. It's all happened with the support of all the ecosystem members, whether it's the government, academia, research organizations, successful entrepreneurs, and also our budding entrepreneurs. In fact, Andhra Pradesh, people say it's the capital of entrepreneurship. A lot of people want to do something. They have desire to do something. Unfortunately, when we started the story, they were not having the right kind of ecosystem. To your benefit, some of the recent things what TiE Hyderabad has done, fulfilling some of the ecosystem for entrepreneurs. For example, we were not having the angel investors in Hyderabad. Many people were struggling. When they go to venture capitals, they say, no, you have to come with a prototype and we cannot fund you. When they go to a bank, they used to ask all kinds of collaterals and all that. Many people, they used to, they used to come from IT industry, technology industry. They were not having the good financial backing, but they were suffering because they were not having the right kind of early stage investment coming in this region. And many TiE charter members, we sat together, how do we solve this problem? And we created Hyderabad Angels. It's one of the upcoming, very dynamic program. We are able to fund a lot of companies already in Hyderabad, and some of them are in the success path. That's one of the ecosystem elements that TiE Hyderabad has fulfilled. The other important thing recently, what we have done, sir, a lot of creativity and innovation is not happening even in some of the great schools like IITs and BITS Pilani and IIIT, ISB and all that. And for product companies to come up, unless there is a creative, innovative environment, they cannot really come with a great plan and a great product. So we started, again, TiE Hyderabad took lead and started a program called Hyderabad for Innovation. We combined all the great institutions. We networked all these institutions like IIT Hyderabad, IIIT, ISB, BITS Pilani, and some of the successful entrepreneurs from Hyderabad. And that program, we were able to create a lot of ecosystem for the startup companies, and we created a lot of innovative activities in BITS Pilani and some of these institutions, and it's taking some shape. And these are some of the things that what TiE Hyderabad has done, and particularly this year, I see a lot of product companies. In fact, some of them met our Honorable Governor. A lot of innovative products and projects they already have.